Hello everyone, welcome back to DH Auto Show. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting electric motorcycles redefining the future of riding. The all-new LiveWire S2 Del Mar. And trust me, this is not just another bike. This is a complete shift in how we experience speed, power, and technology on two wheels. And the moment you look at this machine, you can tell it is designed differently, with a flat track-inspired stance, combined with modern futuristic styling that gives it a bold and aggressive presence on the road. Low-profile body, wide tires, and premium finishing, all coming together to create a machine that looks fast, even when it is standing still. And here on DH Auto Show, we bring you the latest and most thrilling machines, and this one truly stands out as a symbol of the electric revolution. Now let us talk about what makes this bike so special, because the biggest highlight is its electric performance. Unlike traditional petrol bikes, there are no gears, no delay, and no engine noise. Instead, what you get is instant torque. The second you twist the throttle, the bike launches forward, with smooth but powerful acceleration that feels almost unreal, especially in city riding, where quick bursts of speed make all the difference. And this instant response gives riders a completely new level of control, confidence, and excitement that is very hard to match with conventional motorcycles. And once you experience this kind of acceleration, going back to petrol bikes feels completely different. Moving on to the battery and range. The 2026 version is expected to offer improved efficiency and a practical riding range, designed for daily commuting and modern urban lifestyle. And with fast charging capability, you can recharge quickly, which means less waiting time and more riding time, making it ideal for riders who want convenience without sacrificing performance. And that is exactly where electric bikes are winning, by combining efficiency, technology, and thrill into one package. Now let us talk about the handling, because this is another area where the S2 Del Mar impresses a lot. Thanks to its lightweight construction and advanced electric platform, the bike feels extremely agile and very easy to control. The low center of gravity improves balance and stability, allowing riders to take corners smoothly and confidently. Whether you are navigating tight city traffic or enjoying open highways, this bike feels planted, responsive, and incredibly fun to ride. And that makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced riders who want something different. Now coming to technology and features. This machine is packed with advanced systems that bring it fully into the modern era. It includes a fully digital display, multiple ride modes, traction control, and smart connectivity options that allow you to track performance, customize your ride, and stay connected on the go. And this level of intelligence transforms the bike into more than just a machine. It becomes a smart companion that adapts to your riding style, making every ride more personalized and more enjoyable. Comfort is also a key part of this experience, because despite being performance-focused, the riding position is upright and relaxed, giving you a comfortable posture for longer rides. The seat is designed for support, and the overall ergonomics ensure that you do not feel tired, even after extended journeys, which makes it a practical option, not just for short city rides, but also for longer weekend adventures. Now let us talk about the premium and VIP factor, because this bike is not just about performance, it is also about identity and exclusivity, being part of the electric evolution connected to Harley-Davidson official site. The LiveWire brand carries a strong legacy while pushing towards the future, and that gives this bike a unique position, where it represents both heritage and innovation at the same time. And riding this bike is not just about transportation, it is about making a statement about who you are and where the future is heading. So if you are someone who loves silent power, instant acceleration, cutting-edge technology, and futuristic design, then this machine is definitely worth your attention. And here on DH Auto Show, we can confidently say that the 2026 LiveWire S2 Del Mar is not just a glimpse of the future, it is the future itself, combining electric performance, smart features, bold styling, and everyday usability into one incredible motorcycle. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to DH Auto Show, because the next generation of riding has already begun. And trust me, It is faster, smarter, cleaner, and more exciting than ever before.